Hey lovies, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're good and keeping warm because it's hella cold. Okay, so today I'll be showing you how I bleached my knots. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Enjoy. I will be using this highlight refill kit from Clicks. Works the same as any other bleaching products. So it includes bleach powder, cream peroxide, as well as protective gloves. So you're gonna pour the cream peroxide into the bleaching powder, but now I came to the realization that when you pour all of it, it's actually a lot. So truth be told, you don't actually have to pour all of it in there. I think you can portion and separate it as you see fit. Okay, so we move on to stirring. You're just gonna stir it up and stir it until it turns into a really thick texture. It should give you like a toothpaste kind of texture. So I'm gonna dip into the bleaching powder, little concoction type of thing, and then lightly brush onto the lace. You don't want to push too hard on it, otherwise it will seep through and then go onto the hair. And also bleaching powder, which I didn't know, it foams up after a period of time. So the longer it sits there, it ends up foaming up. So you really want to put on a thin layer because it will foam up anyway. Put as little as possible, but cover all the surfaces that you need to cover. Product that I used requires you to leave it on there for about 15 minutes if it's dark brown hair or like blackish hair. Leave it for 50 minutes and it will turn into like a blondish color. The lighter it is, obviously the less time that you will leave it on for. Also guys, it's really important that you put on and keep your gloves on. At some point I had my gloves off and I kid you not, it actually took my skin away. My skin was peeling, guys. Okay, so once your wig is fully bleached out and you've left it on there for a while, and then you're gonna shampoo it. If you want to, you can use a toning shampoo, which I didn't use in this video, but I did at a later stage because I only got it like a few days later. But just shampoo it out, and I used the Pantene Colour Protect shampoo. Once you're done shampooing your hair, you are pretty much done. You can comb it out and then just check if everything looks good. But to be honest, if it does not look good, I would not advise you to go bleach it like immediately after. Give it some time, otherwise it might just break off there. Like, why do I keep saying dear? That's so ghetto. If you bleach it immediately after, there's a chance your hair might just break. So rather not. Just let it go and use foundation. Also from here, I would just allow the hair to air dry. You don't want to put some heat on it on top of just bleaching and everything. So I suggest you let it air dry. In fact, if you want to, you can already style it or lay your edges down and then let it air dry. That way when it's dry, you already have your edges in place. this is pretty much the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you learned something. Also, if you don't understand how I got to this point, please watch my previous video where I plucked the hair before I actually bleached it. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a great day further though. Bye.